WF Wells is proud to introduce the model F-16-2 horizontal twin-post bandsaw featuring full hydraulic operation and user-friendly semi-automatic cutting cycles. The F-16-2 is a rugged, heavy industrial production-grade machine engineered to deliver years and years of safe, reliable, economical, and maintenance-free cutting. The F-16-2 features a high-quality 1¼ M42 bimetal blade, full-stroke hydraulic miter vise with adjustable clamping pressure set at the operator's console, 20-inch cast iron wheels, factory-calibrated automatic hydraulic blade tension, hydraulic servo-controlled cutting force, maintenance-free AC vector drive, E-standard 7.5 horsepower ball-door motor, industry-standard Textron cone drive gearbox, and unitized steel frame construction. Cutting capacity for the F-16-2 is 16 inches for round stock and 16 inches high by 20 inches wide for rectangular stock, and because the F-16-2 is a twin-post design, it can also be used for notching. Operator controls and adjustments, including blade speed, cutting force pressure, and hydraulic clamping pressure for the miter vise, are conveniently located at the front of the machine for maximum safety, visibility, and ease of use. The F-16-2 meets or exceeds all OSHA, ANSI, and military safety specifications for horizontal bandsaws. The built-in coolant system has a 15-gallon capacity, separate chip pan for easy clean-out, and a little giant pump to supply coolant to both blade guides during the saw cut. The F-16-2 exceeds the North American Sawing Association's blade twist and wheel diameter recommendations for 1¼ bandsaw blades. Plus, both blade guides use sealed ball bearing rollers and carbide inserts to precisely control and support the blade. This means you get maximum saw blade life, precise and accurate cutting, up to 30% faster cut times, and a huge selection of saw blade configurations to meet any cutting application. What sets the WF Wells bandsaw apart from our competitors is our cutting force system. Other bandsaw manufacturers use the pressure differential in their cutting head hydraulic cylinder to control cutting force. This is far removed from the saw cut and includes many variables such as changing material cross sections, pressure sensors, fluid viscosities, and cylinder stiction. It's no wonder they offer saw blade deviation monitoring for their bandsaws. WF Wells cutting force is controlled between the blade guides by our precision metering valves while the material is being cut. The metering valves respond immediately and accurately to changing material cross sections such as rounds and structural shapes, ensuring proper cutting force throughout the entire cut. This cutting force method maximizes productivity by optimizing cutting times, reducing material waste, and maximizing saw blade life. Square D fused disconnects, industry standard UL, CE, and CSA approved touch-safe electrical components, Parker, Sun, and Vickers hydraulic components, Milwaukee vise cylinder, powder-coated panels for resistance to cutting fluids, and high-quality shipping practices are all standard features. Optional equipment includes automatic link stop assembly, a 20-inch wide by 48-inch long discharge table with stock stop, a wired-in work light, safety switch for blade break and/or blade stall, hydraulic chip conveyor, saw vise hydraulic hold down, hydraulic swivel base with miter vise, also known as WF Wells model M-16-2, hydraulic powered 21-inch by 10-foot conveyor, high-speed drive with blade guides for blade speeds of 400 to 3,000 surface feet per minute, hour meter, and 5 and 10-foot powered and gravity non-powered conveyors. WF Wells is unique in the American machine tool industry in that we have manufactured our entire line of bandsaws here in Three Rivers, Michigan since 1949, while many of our competitors have resorted to importing the products they sell. WF Wells offers a standard line of bandsaws to meet the requirements of most cutting applications, and due to ongoing engineering advancements, Our bandsaws will always be at the leading edge of bandsaw cutting technology. It's our engineering versatility that has allowed us to expand and excel in the demanding and ever-changing machine tool marketplace. We also design and build custom bandsaws for special applications. 75% of our custom bandsaws cut materials other than metal. Materials such as graphite, crystal, quartz, silicon, ceramics, plastics, wood, military ballistics, and the underwater cutting of spent nuclear fuel are some of the materials we cut with our custom bandsaws. We are a progressive company with the experience and ability to meet the challenges of your individual bandsawing requirements. If there's a need for a special option, we can quote, design, and build it. To better serve our customers, we have made a commitment to stock our standard line of machines as well as parts for all models dating as far back as 1949. If you need a bandsaw today, we have it in stock.